Wiremu Parker, New Zealand's first Māori news broadcaster.
He was affectionately known as Bill Parker. Dad started reading the news in Māori. He was the first Māori broadcaster in the Second World War, and he continued that service every Sunday, 6 p.m. on the national program for 30-odd years.
Born and raised in Te Tairāwhiti, Bill was from Hiruharama. In 1942, he was appointed New Zealand's first Māori news broadcaster after recommendation from the Māori MPs. He narrated many of Māoridom's key moments in history, including the return of the Māori Battalion in 1946.
They are proud of their sons, noble sons of Maoriland. Proud to welcome home these remnants of that famous galaxy of youth, whose blood has been freely shed on the altar shrines of democracy.
He spent a lot of time at Parliament under the guidance and influence of Sir Apirana Ngata, and in 1950, when Apirana passed away, Wiremu gave the Poroaki on the radio.
Haere api, hoka hoka o parirau I runga I te tuara o tāwhiri mātea. Hei kawe a koe ki te toi o ngā rangi, ki tō tipuna ki a rehua.
Every Māori household throughout the country tuned in to those broadcasts. And he took his job very seriously. I think he was always a bit miffed that he got the same pay as everybody else, and he actually had to translate his transcript, and everybody else just went in and read theirs straight.
He was a distinguished speaker and writer in both Māori and English. From 1964, he presented a weekly radio series, the Māori Program.
This is 1970, the beginning of a new decade and a whole new series of challenges and problems confronting the Māori people. We are much more prepared now to throw up our hands and protest against the establishment, or the government for that matter, if we are not happy with certain issues affecting our people.
Bill Parker, proud to be Māori.